Have you ever been locked out of your luggage? It's okay, we all do it. You might have forgotten your combination. So if you happen to be locked out of your luggage, this is what you need to do. You start at all zeros in the middle and you go 0, 0, 1, and you would hit the release button up or down after every single number change. You go all the way through, and after 9, you put that back at 0, and then we go to 10. And then you can continue to do 11, 12, 13, and so on until you get to the combination, which will release the zipper pulls. This is just a test. That's what it would look like once you get to your final combination. We've done it ourselves a couple of times. It will take up to about a full straight uninterrupted half hour if it's at 999, but most combinations are not, so it just depends on what the combination would be, but generally about 30 minutes if you were at the last 999 digits. If you have any questions, we're here for you. We wish you safe travels and harness every day.